Okay, we just got this in, you guys. This is a new worsted weight yarn. It is called Targhee Tango, otherwise known as Secret Yarn number 3. So, Targhee Tango is a Targhee blend. It's white. Targhee only comes in white, so in order to make the shades, we blended the white Targhee with dark fine wool. Oh my god.
Oh, that's nice.
It is like unutterably soft. This is the same base that we use for our Festivus yarns. So this would be the worsted weight equivalent of our Festivus that we've been doing for the last couple of years. And everybody just liked it so much, we thought, let's make it a full-fledged Bare Naked Wools line. And so we've got 4 shades. This is the darkest one. I'm gonna pull one skein out. So it comes like this.
Open them fast enough.
It comes in hanks like this, and we have to actually twist it here on site into
Oh wow.
oh, so this is the darkest shade here. This is the lightest shade.
That's nice.
Oh my god, it's so creamy. It's so beautiful. This is these skeins are unwashed. The wool has been scoured and cleaned, but the skeins after spinning are not washed. So the consumer, you, get to experience the magic of the blooming fiber after washing it. So it's really cool, and it makes for like a really interesting experience if you haven't done this before. And if you haven't done it before, our Bare Naked Wools fans can fill you in on how much fun it is to work with this kind of yarn and swatch with it and wash it.
Oh wow.
Oh, this is gorgeous. So this is the second color, the second lightest shade. Yummy. The shades are all, so it's called Targhee Tango, and the shades are all named for types of tango dance. So we've got Nuevo and Argentine and Apalato, which is the darkest one, and we can't remember what the fourth color name is. What is it?
Finish.
Oh, Finish. The Finish is actually the white.
The white one. Yeah.
Sorry, I misspoke. When you said Finish before, I didn't know what you were talking about.
Oh.
I thought you were saying
because
that
I probably didn't pronounce it right.
I thought you were saying that the video was finished.
I just know that.
Oh, this is sport weight, not worsted. So this is the medium shade, but it's in the wrong weight. My fault. I grabbed the wrong box. But here we go. There we go. So those are the 4 shades. And because this blooms so beautifully, this would be really incredible in color work or striping or any technique where you want the fabric, you want the stitches to really meld in the fabric. This would be really lovely. So that's our Targhee Tango worsted.
This is my favorite.
Oh, I can't wait to knit a hat with it. Yummy.
Oh yeah, the.
Barb would actually wear a hat if she had one.
Yeah. I might wear a hat.
Yum.
But a sweater, wow.
Yeah. I'm gonna design a sweater with this color, I think.